Hello traders, welcome to Forex Lab and I'm your host Holpip. So in this weekly episode we will discuss and analyze the gold market from weekly time frame to low time frame, and also we will see what sort of possible entries and scenarios we have in this upcoming week. Before continuing our analysis, if you guys are watching my video first time, join my Telegram channel. You just have to write whole pips on every social media platform. You just find me with the name of whole pips and my Telegram channel will be there for you. So without wasting our time, let's start our analysis and see what we have on a weekly time frame. As we can see, this is the previous week candle, which indicates that market is turning from bullish to bearish scenarios. Why? Because there is a huge week, huge rejection, and market is below this level, the previous week of the week. So what we have and how we can find out market is bullish or bearish. We have find what first we have to find out the trend. Markets are bullish, but here there are some certain confirmation of the closing of this candle. I will find out. Let's stick with me. And first of all, this is the ultimate top we have. I will use a Fibonacci retracement level by using this area. Why I'm using this area? Because this is the previous break of structure and market did not respect this area. So here is the bottom lower area of this break of structure, and this is the ultimate top. So I will use a Fibonacci retracement level to find out the retracement, actual point of retracement. So what we have, as we can see that we have a golden ratio point which approximately 29, 15 to 20 area approximately, because here we can see that this is the point we have fib level. So what we have, I will use a parallel channel to actually find out either our fib level or in a way of our parallel channel, or not. This is and merge it with the ultimate top we have. This is the parallel channel we have. Market is closing on with bullish volume. I'm expecting on a weekly time frame market will move like in this way up to 0.618 level on a in a week, or in a within a 2 weeks. So we have a clear direction that market is on a retracement. So let's move to the daily time frame and see for the confirmation that market is on a bearish cycle or not. From where we can took entries on a selling side, as we can see that this is the rejection, multiple rejections area, which is approximately 3360 or 3370 area. I'm expecting, and here is the bottom area that market did not break on the previous week. I'm expecting on the opening of the market, either market will move up to in this upside direction, and here we got again rejection up to this area. Why I am talking about this area? Because if any candle closes below this area on a daily time frame, then we can expect our first target will be at this area. Why? Because when market closes below this area, then we have a proper trade up to 3150 area from 3250 area. So these are the confirmation that I'm looking for on a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, we have still bearish confirmation. On the other hand, on the daily time frame, if any candle closes above 3380 area, then don't look for the sell up to this previous high. because market can turn up to again 3500 for the new high. Okay, so if any candle closes above this area, so we will have a 3500 again, but there are less chances because weekly candle is on a bearish side. On a H4 time frame, what we have, so on a H4 scenarios are same, not major indications or confirmations. We have the previous top multiple rejections area at this level. If market will start up to this level, and here we have to wait for the confirmation. Okay, so if market did not break and got rejection and closes below H4 candle, then we have first target will be 3260 or 3270 area. This one, then we have another target which approximately 3160 or 3180 area. These targets are on a swing way or in a intraday targets, and overall we have on a weekly and a next week that I'm expecting market will move in upside direction. At here we got confirmation that will be a liquidity sweeps. It will be a liquidity sweeps for the buyers. Then market will fall up to this area approximately 31 30 29 30 area on a longer way in the next month, and it can takes up to 2 weeks. So this is the shorter overview of the next week market move. What we have to do, we have to stick with one mentor, and you just have to wait for the confirmation on the next week. And major important thing why I am talking about this move on a weekly time frame, sorry, wait, why I'm talking about the bearish side. Let me find out for you how you can find out what market makers are. Sorry. So here is the confirmation that what we you can see that the non-commercial market makers, non-commercial mean the non big whales, they have already closed their long positions and opened in the last week massive short entries. That's why market fall from this area and closes at this area. This is the main reason. Okay, that COT data I have shown you, this is the main reason market closes on this channel and market is on a retracement. I'm expecting on a weekly time frame market will go up to at this area approximately. We have to wait for the confirmations at here, then market will fall up to this area. This is the optimal target we have on a weekly and a monthly time frame. This is the short analysis. If you guys like it, follow me and below comments which help me which helps me to motivate. Thank you.